Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Press YouTube channel. This is the episode of Present Continuous Tense Indicative Mode. This lesson has 40 examples. If you want to develop English language, please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon. Share this video among your friends. Let's move on to this tutorial together. Present Continuous Tense Indicative Mode. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now, at the moment of speaking, or actions that are happening around the current time but may not be completed yet. Now see, I am going to explain the active voice. Firstly, you have to use subject. Am is a verb, ing, object. Now see the example. I am playing cricket. Passive voice. Object is a being past participle by. Example, cricket is being played by me. Now I am going to discuss active voice. The electrician is designing the signboard. Passive voice. The signboard is being designed by the electrician. Moving on to next example, active voice. The fashion designer is designing the dress. Passive voice. The dress is being designed by the fashion designer. Next example, the mechanic is washing the car. Passive voice. The car is being washed by the mechanic. Now I am going to discuss active voice. The workers are painting the house. Passive voice. The house is being painted by the workers. Now see the next example, active voice. The forester is greeting to the general officer commanding. Passive voice. The general officer commanding is being greeted by the forester. Next example, active voice. The children are watching the movie. Passive voice. The movie is being watched by the children. Next example, active voice. The students are reading the books. Passive voice. The books are being read by the students. My sister is washing the dishes. Passive voice. The dishes are being washed by my sister. Now I am going to discuss active voice. The medical officer of health is electing the vaccine. Passive voice. The vaccine is being elected by the medical officer of health. Active voice. The maid is ironing the clothes. Passive voice. The clothes are being ironed by the maid. Now see the active voice. The technician is repairing the computer. Passive voice. The computer is being repaired by the technician. Active voice. The gardener is watering the garden. Passive voice. The garden is being watered by the gardener. Now I am going to discuss passive voice. The chef is preparing the meal. Passive voice. The meal is being prepared by the chef. Now see the next example. Active voice. The team is completing the project. Passive voice. The project is being completed by the team. Active voice. The interior designer is decorating the room. Passive voice. The room is being decorated by the interior designer. Active voice. The president is giving the speech. Passive voice. The speech is being given by the president. Active voice. The cook is chopping the vegetables. Passive voice. The vegetables are being chopped by the cook. Active voice. The cleaner is cleaning the window. Passive voice, the window is being cleaned by the cleaner. Next example, the experts are solving the problem. Passive voice, the problem is being solved by the experts. Active voice, the manager is reviewing the report. Passive voice, the report is being reviewed by the manager. Now see the next example, active voice. The baker is decorating the cake. Passive voice, the cake is being decorated by the baker. Active voice, the scientists are conducting the experiment. Passive voice, the experiment is being conducted by the scientist. Active voice, the courier is delivering the package. Passive voice, the package is being delivered by the courier. Active voice, the secretary is typing the letter. Passive voice, the letter is being typed by the secretary. Active voice, the contractor is renovating the house. Passive voice, the house is being renovated by the contractor. Active voice, the nurse is administrating the medicine. Passive voice, the medicine is being administered by the nurse. Now I am going to discuss active voice. The agent is booking the ticket. Passive voice, the tickets are being booked by the agent. Active voice, the web developer is designing the website. Passive voice, the website is being designed by the web developer. Active voice, the interpreter is translating the speech. Passive voice, the speech is being translated by the interpreter. Active voice, the kids are playing the game. Passive voice, the game is being played by the kids. Active voice, the construction workers are building the bridge. Passive voice, the bridge is being built by the construction workers. Active voice, the workers are painting the fence. Passive voice, the fence is being painted by the workers. Now see the next example. Active voice, the company is publishing the magazine. Passive voice, the magazine is being published by the company. Active voice, the mailman is posting the letter. Passive voice, the letter is being posted by the mailman. Now I am going to discuss active voice. The fishermen are catching the fish. Passive voice, the fish are being caught by the fishermen. Active voice, the technician is fixing the problem. Passive voice, the problem is being fixed by the technician. Active voice, the journalist is reporting the news. Passive voice, the news is being reported by the journalist. Active voice, the chef is slicing the cake. Passive voice, the cake is being sliced by the chef. Active voice, the construction crew is repairing the road. Passive voice, the road is being repaired by the construction crew. Active voice, the workers are assembling the furniture. Passive voice, the furniture is being assembled by the workers. In next tutorial, I will bring you more tenses lesson. See you in a future video.